Hello, class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So, students, in our previous session, we were discussing the unit number 8 of our GK syllabus. Okay, and today again, I'm here with you all to discuss with one more topic of the same unit, that is bridge the gap. So all of you are requested to open your books at page number 54, that is bridge the gap. Okay, so just open your books at page number 54, that is bridge the gap. Okay. Okay, so first of all, what is the meaning of this topic, bridge the gap? So that means, as you can see in the book, so I'm just showing you the picture. So that's why I have made this video like this, not on the board, just because of the pictures that is given here. Okay, so I just want to show you the pictures of the various bridges and the various types of bridges. Actually, the wherever the bridges are, so there are some bridges that are categorized. Okay, so bridges are categorized. So as you can, okay, first of all, just discuss this one. Okay, so that's why I have made this videos like this, so that you will understand that what are the names that we give to the different type of bridge. ओके, तो जो अलग टाइप के ब्रिज होते हैं, हम उनको क्या अलग अलग नेम्स देते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई that what I want to show you. Okay, and this is very important that you must learn about it. This is one of the very interesting topic as well. So that's why I just want to show you. So as you can see, these three are the different okay, the picture is given here. So these are the different three types of bridges. Okay, आपको यहाँ पे तीन तरह के ब्रिज दिख रहे हैं. Okay, देखिए, the first one is called arched bridge. Okay, the first one is arched bridge. So what is arched bridge? तो देखिए, हमारा टॉपिक है bridge the gap. So that means in today's topic we are going to talk about the various bridges of the world. तो various famous bridges of the world. Bridges mean पुल, जिनको हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में. तो दुनिया में बहुत सारे बेटा अनोखे ब्रिज बने हुए हैं, पुल बने हुए हैं. ओके, कुछ सी के ऊपर बने हैं, कुछ रिवर्स के ऊपर बने हैं. ओके, एंड कुछ रोड्स पे बने हैं. सो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ ब्रिज दैट आर बिल्ट अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. ओके, and today in this topic we are going to discuss about the various types of bridges that are famous all around. तो बहुत सारे ऐसे ब्रिजेस हैं जो हमारी कंट्री में हैं, जो बहुत ही फेमस हैं. Okay, so these are the three important types of bridges that you can see in the picture that I'm showing you here. So the first one is that is known as arched bridge. Okay, so first picture है, a picture है, that is arched bridge. So what is arched bridge? Arched bridge होता क्या है? So as you can see, it is made in the form of a arc. arc क्या होता है? जब हम सर्कल स्टार्ट करते हैं ना, आर्क बनाते हैं. सो दैट इज आर्क्ड ब्रिज. सो एज यू कैन सी, देखिए जो इसकी पिक्चर है वो आर्क शेप में है. ओके, ओके, तो इसलिए हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? आर्क्ड ब्रिज, बिकॉज इट्स लुक लाइक अ आर्क. The base of this bridge looks like an arc. That's why this bridge is known as arched bridge. Clear? Moving next to the second one, that is cantilever bridge. Okay, so in the second picture you can see it's a cantilever bridge. Okay, so it's and in the triangular shape from the above and as well as the below. Okay, so that is cantilever bridge. जो शुरुआत में पतला होता है, फिर चौड़ा होता है, फिर वापस पतला होता जाता है, फिर वो एकदम स्टेबल चलता है, देन लेटर ऑन फिर थोड़ा पतला होता है तो मोटा होता है, लास्ट में फिर पतला हो जाता है. ओके, सो दैट इज कैंटिलेवर ब्रिज. ओके, एंड मोस्टली ये ब्रिजेस जो होते हैं ये बहुत ही लंबे रास्ते के लिए बनते हैं. अगर सपोज ब्रिज है वो काफ़ी लंबा है तो उस टाइम पे ये ब्रिजेस बनाए जाते हैं, सो दैट दिस ब्रिज कैन होल्ड मोर कैपेसिटी, okay, than the other normal bridges. So this is a cantilever bridge. That is the second picture, B1. That is cantilever bridge. Moving next to the C1. The C1 is the suspension bridge. This is also one of the famous टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रिज, दैट इज सस्पेंशन ब्रिज। तो ये दिस इज, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, सस्पेंशन ब्रिज बोलते हैं। दिस इज द थर्ड वन। Okay, so in this suspension bridge, what is there? So the bridges, the various there's a cable. Okay, so this a cable से ये एक suspension एक wire से connect ये attached होते हैं bridge. Okay, so that is suspension bridge. You more about all these three types of bridge that you are going to learn in this chapter only. तो अभी इसके chapters में हम इनके अलग अलग और भी कैसे ये अटैच्ड होते हैं, किस चीज़ से बने होते हैं. सो ऑल दीज टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रिजेस वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन दिस चैप्टर. Okay, so I hope that now you understood that what are the various three types of bridges. The first one is, that is the A1. The A1 is the arched bridge. Second is cantilever bridge. And the third one is the suspension bridge that I am showing you here. Clear? So these are the various types of bridges that I am showing you here. Okay, so now the topic that is given at page number 54. Okay, so this is the topic that you can see at page number 54 in your book. So the first one is, from log bridges to structure of steel and concrete, bridges are some of the world's best engineer marvels. Read about some famous bridges here. तो देखिए वो कहते हैं कि जो देखिए दुनिया में बहुत सारे देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रिजेस दैट आर बिल्ट अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. तो दुनिया में बहुत सारे ऐसे ब्रिजेस हैं जो कि बने हैं. ओके, एंड एवरी ब्रिज हैज इट्स यूनिक, इट्स व्हाट वी कॉल, इट्स सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी. तो इसकी खुद की एक सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी है जिसमें कि वो एक यूनिक फीचर है. सो एवरी ब्रिज हैज सम काइंड ऑफ यूनिक फीचर इन इट, एंड इट्स जस्ट अ सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी फॉर दैट ब्रिज. Clear? So here in this topic we are going to talk about some of the various bridges around the world. Okay, so starting with the first one, okay, that I'm showing you here, that is completed in 1883. Okay, I'll just show you, you want to show the picture as well. Okay, so completed in 1883, the Brooklyn Bridge connects Brooklyn with Manhattan through the East River. For a long time, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world and became an iconic landmark of New York City. The bridge has a wide pedestrian walkway open to the cyclists and people on foot. Okay, so the first bridge, as you can see in the picture beta, so this is very important. Okay, so this is a picture of a suspension bridge. अभी मैंने आपको बताया था सस्पेंशन ब्रिज. सो दिस सस्पेंशन ब्रिजेस आर कनेक्टेड विद द केबल्स. तो ये केबल्स से कनेक्टेड हो के हैं, या इनको केबल से इनको बांधा जाता है. ये ऐसी कोई हल्की केबल्स नहीं है कि जिसपे कि एक दो गाड़ी चली और टूट के गिर जाए. दीज आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग केबल्स. ओके, और ये मिलियन ऑफ टन्स ऑफ वेट इट कैन हैंडल. ओके, सो दिस इज अ सस्पेंशन ब्रिज एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. So the first bridge that we are talking about, that is a Brooklyn Bridge. Okay, क्या है Brooklyn Bridge? ये कब बना था? That is okay. So this is completed in the year 1883. So this bridge, Brooklyn Bridge, was completed in the year 1883, and this Brooklyn Bridge, it connects Brooklyn and the Manhattan. Okay, to the East River. So this Brooklyn Bridge, it connects the Brooklyn and the Manhattan. So these are the name of the two cities. That is, first one is the Brooklyn, second one is the Manhattan. And this bridge that is known as Brooklyn Bridge, okay, ये जो Brooklyn और Manhattan जो दो जगहें हैं उनको आपस में कनेक्ट करता है. Okay, other than that, for a long time it was the longest suspension bridge in the world. बहुत लंबे समय तक ये एक सबसे लंबा सस्पेंशन ब्रिज था पूरी दुनिया का. ओके, एंड हैज बिकम एन आइकॉनिक लैंडमार्क ऑफ द न्यूयॉर्क सिटी. ओके, अलावा ये इज जस्ट अ आइकॉनिक लैंडमार्क. ओके, सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द लैंडमार्क फॉर द न्यूयॉर्क सिटी. ओके, तो जो न्यूयॉर्क है वहाँ के लिए कि फेमस लैंडमार्क भी है, काफ़ी टाइम से रहा है. And other than that, this bridge has a wide pedestrian walkway open to the cyclist and the people on the foot. इसके अलावा जो ये ब्रिज है इसके दोनों साइड ओके एक बहुत ही चौड़ा पेडेस्ट्रियन वॉकवे है. Okay, so there is lots pedestrian. What is pedestrian? So pedestrian is the way where the people on the foot they move. तो देखिए बाकी रोड्स पे तो कार्स चलती हैं, ठीक है, व्हीकल्स चलते हैं, बट पेडेस्ट्रियन क्या होते हैं? ओके, इनके ऊपर जो लोग होते हैं, ओके, दे वर अलाउड टू मूव whenever there's a green light. So the okay, so when there is a red light, so the people on the cars or the vehicles they just stop, and the people those who are on foot they keep moving on the pedestrian crossing. So pedestrian is a walkway के लिए एक चलने की एक जगह है, एक ब्रिज उस ब्रिज के साइड में, okay, and it is very wide. So the pedestrian walkway in this bridge, Brooklyn Bridge, is very wide. वो बहुत ही चौड़ा है, and which is open to the cyclist and the people on the foot. जो साइकिलिंग करते हैं लोग, ओके, तो वो पेडेस्ट्रियन उनके लिए भी खुला है. उसके अलावा जो लोग पैदल चलते हैं उनके लिए भी पेडेस्ट्रियन खुला है. So the first bridge is Brooklyn Bridge. चलिए second one, the world's longest bridge over water is the Qingdao Haiwan Bridge, that is in China. Okay, so now I'm showing you the picture of a bridge that is a Qingdao Haiwan Bridge in China. Okay, it was opened in the year 2007. The bridge is 42.4 kilometer long. The bridge has 6 lanes to serve an estimated 30,000 cars each day. Okay, so this is the world's longest bridge over water. तो पानी के ऊपर बना हुआ ये दुनिया का सबसे लंबा ब्रिज है. दैट इज लोकेटेड इन चाइना, एंड द प्लेस वेयर इट इज लोकेटेड, द नेम ऑफ दिस ब्रिज इज Qingdao Haiwan Bridge. Okay, so this is the name of the bridge, that is Qingdao Haiwan Bridge. Okay, and that is the longest bridge in the world which is built over which is located over water. And this bridge was opened for the common people in the year 2007. तो 2007 में जो ये ब्रिज है ये आम लोगों के लिए खोल दिया गया था. The bridge is 42.4 kilometer long. Okay, so this bridge is near about 42.4 kilometer long. तो ये bridge near about 42.4 kilometer लंबा है. The bridge has 6 lanes to serve an estimated 30,000 cars each day. तो इस ब्रिज के ऊपर 6 लेन्स हैं. सो देयर आर 6 लेन्स ओवर दिस ब्रिज. ओके, एंड जिसके ऊपर कम से कम एस्टिमेटेड 30,000 कार एक दिन में गुजरती हैं. ओके, सो दिस ब्रिज इज वेरी वाइड. ओके, दैट इज बिल्ड इन चाइना एंड इट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट ब्रिज दैट इज बिल्ट ओवर वाटर. अदर देन दैट, okay, it is open, it became open for the common people in the year 2007. Okay, and the length or you can say the way of this bridge is that is 42.4 kilometer. तो ये ब्रिज कितना लंबा है? 42.4 kilometer. This is the length of this bridge. Okay, and it has 6 lanes. तो देखिए इतना 42.4 किलोमीटर लंबा है. इसके अलावा ये इसके ऊपर कितनी लेन्स है? 6 लेन्स, 3 फॉर 3 आने के लिए 3 जाने के लिए. सो इट इज़ अ 6 लेन ब्रिज, दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ वेरी वाइड. ओके, एंड इट कैन सर्व नियर अबाउट 30,000 कार्स इन ईच डे. तो इसके कम से कम एक दिन में 30,000 कारों का जो है इट इज़ इट्स कैपेसिटी अबाउट 30,000 कार्स ईच डे. मतलब ये 30,000 कारें हैं जो एक टाइम पे इसकी कैपेसिटी है. 30,000 कारें एक दिन में इसके ऊपर से गुजरती हैं. सो द नेम ऑफ दिस इज द लॉन्गेस्ट ब्रिज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, दैट इज Qingdao Haiwan Bridge. Okay, so that is located in China. Okay, so the first one that we discussed was Brooklyn. Second one is Qingdao Haiwan Bridge, China. Moving next to the third one. Okay, so this is one of the famous bridges of the world, that is Tower Bridge. Okay, you can see the picture here very clearly. Okay, so this is the Tower Bridge and this is very famous bridge that is in London, that is located in London. ये लंदन में एक सबसे फेमस ब्रिज है. So you must have seen in the various movies or any films or any short film. So this bridge is commonly used in most of the movies, most of the serials, programs. So this bridge is mostly you can see easily. Okay, so now the Tower Bridge. So what is Tower Bridge? Tower Bridge is a movable suspension bridge located in London over the River Thames. Okay, and it is next to the Tower of London, and it has been iconic symbol of London for decades. It took 8 years for the construction to be completed and was done by the year 1894. So this is one of the very special bridge that is located in London. Okay, so this is a movable suspension bridge. So what is movable suspension bridge? तो मूवेबल सस्पेंशन ब्रिज में क्या होता है बेटा, जो ब्रिज है दोनों साइड बीच में से खुल जाता है. ओके, सो इट जस्ट ओपन लाइक दोनों साइड से ऐसा है तो ये बीच में ऐसे खुल जाता है, खड़ा हो जाता है. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज नोन एज मूवेबल सस्पेंशन ब्रिज. ओके, एंड दिस ब्रिज इज लोकेटेड इन लंदन. तो ये है कहाँ, लंदन में, एंड इट इज बिल्ट ओवर द रिवर थेम्स. ओके, सो ये बना किसके ऊपर हुआ है, जो थेम्स रिवर है दैट इज इन लंदन, इसके ऊपर ये ब्रिज है जो बना हुआ है. एंड इट हैज़ बीन आइकॉनिक सिंबल ऑफ लंदन फॉर डिकेड्स. तो डिकेड्स मीन्स सदियों से, हम कह दिए 10 साल को हम बोलते हैं डिकेड. ओके, तो 10 साल मीन्स डिकेड. सो हियर वी टॉकिंग डिकेड. सो बहुत सालों से, ये कह लें आप सदियों से, दिस ब्रिज हैज़ बीन आइकॉनिक सिंबल. तो लोगों के लिए या लंदन के लिए ये आइकॉनिक सिंबल बना हुआ है. और इस ब्रिज को बनने में कितना टाइम लगा, इट टुक नियर अबाउट 8 years. तो इस ब्रिज को बनने में 8 साल लगे हैं टू बी कंप्लीटेड. Okay, and it was done by the year 1894, and it took 8 years to get to complete this bridge. Okay, and it was completed by the year 1894. Okay, so this is one of the greatest bridge, and this is one of the famous bridge of London, and the name of this bridge is uh, Tower Bridge. Okay, that is located in London, and this is one of the iconic symbol for the London. Other than that, it is built on the river Thames. Okay, जिसको कहते हैं ना लंदन की गंगा बोला जाता है. Okay, okay, and it took 8 years. तो इस ब्रिज को बनने में कितना टाइम लगा, it took 8 years to complete this bridge. Okay, so this is a Tower Bridge. Moving next to the fourth one, that is the Bandra Worli Sea Link. So you must have seen this Bandra Worli Sea Link also in the various Indian movies or the Bollywood movies. So this is Bandra Worli Sea Link, officially called the Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link in Mumbai, India, was inaugurated in June 2009, linking the main islands of Mumbai to its suburbs. Okay, this bridge is India's first 8-lane freeway over the open sea. The bridge has been built to reduce the traffic congestion and to help the commuters cut down their travel time. Commuters. Okay, so this is the one of the famous bridge of our own country, that is Bandra's Worli Sea Link. Okay, तो ये हमारे ही कंट्री का एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट, बहुत ही वन ऑफ द व्हाट वी कॉल इट शानदार ब्रिज है. ओके, एंड दिस इज़ द नोन एज द बांद्रा वर्ली सी लिंक. इसको बोला जाता है बांद्रा वर्ली सी लिंक, बट इट्स ऑफिशियल नेम इज़ राजीव गांधी सी लिंक. ओके, बट ऑफिशियली इसको क्या बोला जाता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज. ओके, तो बांद्रा वर्ली सी लिंक इसको बोला जाता है दैट कनेक्ट्स बांद्रा वर्ली. Okay, so that's why it is known as the Bandra Worli Sea Link, but its official name is Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link. But its official name क्या है, Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link. Okay, and this Sea Link was inaugurated, okay, in the June 2009. तो जून 2009 को जो ये ब्रिज है that was inaugurated. Okay, that became open for the people, लिंकिंग द मेन आइलैंड्स ऑफ मुंबई टू इट्स सबर्स. तो जो मुंबई की जो मेन आइलैंड्स है उसको उसने जहाँ के छोटे छोटे आइलैंड्स उससे कनेक्ट किया. दिस ब्रिज हैज़ इंडियाज़ 8-lane freeway ओवर द ओपन सी. ओके, सो बिफोर दैट वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट द वन ऑफ द लॉन्गेस्ट ब्रिज ऑन द ऑफ चाइना, ओके, जिसमें कि 6 लेन्स थी. बट दिस बांद्रा वर्ली सी लिंक has 8 lanes. Okay, so it is much wider than the bridge of China. Okay, so this bridge is India's first 8-lane freeway on this over the sea. The bridge has been built to reduce traffic congestion to help the commuters cut down their traveling time. तो ये जो बांद्रा से वर्ली लोग जाते थे, so they have to take a very long distance, or they have to cover a very long distance if they want to go from Bandra to Bandra to Worli. Okay, while understanding these problems, the bill was passed, and this Bandra Worli ceiling was made. Okay, and this was also made to reduce the traffic congestion. So what is the meaning of congestion? Congestion means कहते हैं ना ट्रैफिक खत्म करना, कि बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक होना, दैट इज नोन एज ट्रैफिक कंजेशन. ओके, एंड टू हेल्प द commuters means the commuters are the people, those who go daily from the Bandra to Worli, okay, and they have traveled a very long distance, so that's why they are commuters, and unka jo time that is being utilized in that in traveling wo bhi kam ho jaye. So that's why this Bandra Worli sea link was constructed. Okay, clear? Chaliye, now this was the fourth one, that is Bandra Worli sea link. Now moving next, that is Pearl Bridge. So now we are going to talk about the another one, that is Pearl Bridge. Completed in the year 1998, the Pearl Bridge in Japan is the world's longest cable suspension bridge. तो जो ये पर्ल ब्रिज है दैट इज़ इन जापान. तो जापान में जो ये सबसे लंबा ब्रिज है दैट इज़ नोन एज द पर्ल ब्रिज. ओके, ये दुनिया का सबसे लंबा लॉन्गेस्ट केबल सस्पेंशन ब्रिज है. ओके, सो द ब्रिज कनेक्ट्स द आइलैंड्स ऑफ अवाजी टू द होंशू. Before the bridge was built, the only way of commuting by the passengers ferry, which would often experience dangerous storms. Okay, so now we are talking about the one of the longest cable suspension bridge that is in Japan. So the name of this bridge is Pearl Bridge. Okay, this is the one of the longest cable suspension bridge of Japan. Okay, other than that, this bridge connects the islands of Awaji to the Honshu. तो होंशू और जो अवाजी के जो आइलैंड्स है, दीज आर द नेम ऑफ द टू प्लेसेस दैट इज इन जापान. सो इट कनेक्ट्स दोज टू आइलैंड्स एंड द प्लेसेस दैट आर इन बिटवीन अवाजी एंड होंशू. This bridge connects, this Pearl Bridge connects them. Okay, before the bridge was built, so when the bridge was not there, so when the people were जब ये ब्रिज नहीं था लोगों के पास, so the people have, when they want to go from one side to the another side, they have to take the passenger ferry. So what is passenger ferry? जैसे कि हम बस पे चढ़ते हैं, बस का किराया देते हैं, उस वैसे ही छोटी सी शिप्स टाइप होती हैं जिनको कि पैसेंजर फेरी बोला जाता है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ दिस पैसेंजर फेरी? So in this passenger ferry, the person who wants to go from one side to the another, he have to pay some of the nominal charges if he wants to go some other side. Okay, if he wants to cross that sea. But during bad weather or during some storms, so sometimes this passenger ferry, they have to experience dangerous experiences also. तो उनको बहुत बार कई dangerous experiences भी होते हैं while sitting in this passenger ferry. Okay, so that's why by understanding the problems of the people, the problem of the society, the government started building this Pearl Bridge, which is the longest cable suspension bridge that is located in Japan. तो ये जापान का सबसे लंबा लॉन्गेस्ट केबल सस्पेंशन ब्रिज है. ओके, एंड ये जो अवाजी और होंशू नाम के दो आइलैंड्स हैं, इन दोनों को आपस में कनेक्ट करता है. ओके, एंड जब इसकी when it was not invented, the people, they have to catch the passenger ferry if they want to move to the other side of that city. Okay, so that is Pearl Bridge, that is located in Japan. Clear? Moving next to the last one, that is the Sydney Harbour Bridge. This is also one of the very important, yeah, very famous bridges, that is Sydney Harbour Bridge. Located near the Sydney Opera House, the Sydney Harbour Bridge is a steel arch bridge across the Sydney Harbour. The bridge was opened in the year 1932 and the Sydney's tallest structure until the year 1967. It is one of the world's largest steel arch bridge, measuring 134 meters from the top to the sea level. The bridge is also called the Kotha. Okay, Kothanger. Okay, so the next bridge जिसकी हम बात करें हैं, that is located in the Opera House. This is also one of the very famous landmark of Australia, that is Opera House. Okay, और ये Opera House that is also located in the Sydney only. So this is the one of the Opera House is one of the world's biggest concert hall, and this one is a very special one as well. Okay, other than that, so along with or the beside this Opera House there was Sydney Harbour Bridge. तो इस ओपेरा हाउस के बगल में आप कह लीजिए तो वहाँ पे एक सिडनी हार्बर ब्रिज भी है. ओके, एंड दैट ब्रिज इज मेड ऑफ स्टील. ओके, और जो ये पूरा ब्रिज है, ओके, दिस इज मेड ऑफ स्टील एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स टॉलेस्ट स्टील आर्क ब्रिज. इसलिए इसको दुनिया का सबसे लंबा, टॉलेस्ट बोल लीजिए, लंबा आर्क ब्रिज माना जाता है. measuring 134 meter from top to sea level, and the measurement of this Sydney Harbour Bridge is 134 meter from top to the sea level. Okay, so this is also one of the very famous landmark of the Sydney. So you can see the picture here. So this is the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. Okay, so this is also one of the beautiful bridges of all of the world. Okay, तो ये भी दुनिया के एक जितने भी सुंदर ब्रिज हैं उनमें से एक है. Clear? So that's why it is known as Kotha Bridge. Okay, so this was the last one, that is Sydney Harbour Bridge. Okay, so in this chapter we have talked about, or we have discussed about the various bridges. That is Brooklyn Bridge, that is located in New York City. Next one is Kyangdo Hewan, that is located in China. Okay, after that the third one was Star Bridge, that is located in London. The fourth one was Bandra Worli Ceiling, and it is located in our own country, that is India. Okay, and it is officially it is in Mumbai. Okay, sorry, but ये है कहाँ है, ये कहाँ है, that is in Mumbai. Next was Pearl Bridge. Okay, this is one of the very beautiful and the longest bridge of the world, and the name of this bridge is Pearl Bridge. Okay, and it was built by the year 1998. Okay, and this is one of the longest cable suspension bridge in the world. Last one is the Sydney Harbour Bridge, that is located in Sydney, Australia. Okay, and other than that, it is a very beautiful landmark for the people of the Sydney. Okay, the name of this bridge is Sydney Harbour Bridge. Okay, I hope now you understood the topic, that what I want to explain by showing you the picture. Clear? So these are the names of the some of the quick quiz. Can you name the bodies of the water on which these famous bridges stand? तो आपको बता सकते हैं कि ये जो अलग अलग ब्रिज दिए हुए हैं ये किस वाटर बॉडी के ऊपर, मतलब किस वाटर बॉडी मीन्स कौन से नदी, कौन से सी के ऊपर जो बने हुए हैं. सो व्हाइल सीइंग द पिक्चर यू हैव टू आंसर इट. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज हावड़ा ब्रिज. हावड़ा ब्रिज इज बिल्ट ओवर रिवर हुगली. ओके, रिवर हुगली. नेक्स्ट, मिलाव ब्रिज. द मिलाव ब्रिज इज लोकेटेड ओवर River Tarn, that is TARN, River Tarn. Next is Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, this is also one of the very important one. Golden Gate Bridge, okay, This is also that is Golden Gate Strait. So the name of the place where it is situated is Golden Gate Strait. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed the chapter well. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.